Slogans of Indian freedom fighters. Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Vinoba Bhave, Indira Gandhi, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Lokmanya Tilak, Madan Mohan Malavya, Queen Lakshmibai, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel,
Don't give states.
Lal Bahadur Shastri,
Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.
Lala Lajpat Rai,
Simon Commission, go back.
Dayananda Saraswati,
Go back to the Vedas.
Muhammad Iqbal,
Sai Sabha se bachcha, Hindustan Amada.
Shamlal Gupta,
Vijay Vishwas, Tiranga Pada.
Jaiprakash Narayan,
Sampunda Kanti.
Swami Vivekananda,
Scientists like we can kiss that.
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar,
We are Indians. First year last year.
P.V. Narasimha Rao.
Desh Bashano, Desh Manavo. Thank you. Bye.